everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the figure 8 mental puzzle, or the S-shaped mental puzzle. There is two ways that this can be shaped. One of them is this way, so hold it in this position first. And so one of them is where the right one goes underneath the left puzzle and then over it. There's also another way where it goes over it and then under it. I'm going to show you this way first. So if you have it like this, what you need to do is you need to turn this, position it like this first. And then you need to turn this right one upside down, like this. And you kind of need to bring this over so that these two are kind of like touching. So like, okay, so you need to bring this one and this one so that they're kind of on top of each other. And then you kind of just need to bring it over so it looks like this. If you want me to do that again, so you gotta go like this and then over it. And now you kind of have this weird binocular shape. So you just want to push the small circles through the big ones, and then you can just separate the pieces. So that is how you do the one of them. And to unsolve this, what you have to do is you have to just kind of put it, so hold them in this position, tilt this one to the right and tilt this one the other way, and kind of put them up. Make sure you don't tilt them too much or else you can't put them back. So just a little bit, and kind of just push them up. And this time, instead of pushing these small circles inside, you have to push them outwards and bring them apart. So just bring them apart. Wait, this bit's stuck over here. Okay. So yeah, that is one way to solve it. I'm going to show you the other way now. So this is the second way it can be in. So this time the right one goes over the second one and then underneath it instead of under and then over. So it's over and then under. So if you have it like this, then you need to position it like this. And what you have to do is you have to kind of bring this right one underneath the left one. So like this. And here's kind of the tricky part. So you have to make this small circle go underneath this small circle, but you have to make this line come next to this line. So kind of like this. And once you've got that, make sure the small circles aren't hitting each other. Once you've got that, you hold this part and kind of just bring it over this one. And now you can just, wait a second, let me do that again. So what you have to do is you have to bring this like this, put the small circle underneath, and then like bring it over. So, yep. And then, so if you want me to do that again, you have to kind of like do it. So this is the trickiest part of this. So that's what I meant, and then just pull it out like that. So that is how you solve it. And then to put it back, you have to hold it like this. And put the small circle inside the big circle, and then kind of just twist it backwards and just pull them apart. So that is how you solve and unsolve the second way of the 8 or the S. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button down below, also the subscribe button down below. And yeah, goodbye, see you in the next video.